Joseph. I'm on into my room. This is where I store my DVDs and books. This is my wind-up and desktops. There's 3 desktops and 2 wind-ups. This is the one I use. This is my cushion ones here. This is my other Henry and Henty friends. Here is my Henry headboard. And last of all, this is my real one, which I clean the house with. Thank you for watching.